The first chapter of class 9th maths is Vedic mathematics. According to this chapter, exercise 1.1 have addition, subtraction, multiply and divide by Vedic mathematics. First of all, see addition by ekadhiken पूर्वेण. Ekadhikens means you have to put symbol on the next digit. See, if the digits are given 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 8, 6, 4, 5, 3, 4, 8, 3, 2. Simply add it by ekadhiken पूर्वेण method. Now see, you have to make the 10. 10 means put the one dot on next digit. 6 plus 5, 11. Put 10 here, 1 remaining. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. This is not for. In any Vedic mathematics, any digit, if dot is on the digit, that means this is not for, this is 5. If dot is under the digit, that this is not for, this is 3. 5 plus, this is not for now, this is 5. 5 plus 5, 10, put a dot here, means remaining is 0. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. 4 plus 7, this is not 6 now, this is 7. 4 plus 7, 11, 10 is here, 1 remaining. 1 plus 8 is 9, 10 is not completed, so you have to write the 9. 3 plus 9, 11, 3 plus 9, 12, 10 here, 2 remaining, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Now see, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 and 3, 10. Don't write 10 here, you have to write 0 here, put digit here and 0 remaining. This is 1, it become 1. This is addition by ekadhiken पूर्वेण method. Now if you want to multiply, subtract by ekadhiken पूर्वेण. Suppose you want to subtract 4, 3, 2, 8, 2, 7, 2, 9, 4, 2 from this digit by ekadhiken पूर्वेण. First of all, you have to make Param-Mitra. Param-Mitra means the below digit you have to make the 10 if not going. Now see, if 7 is not subtracting from 2, means the Param-Mitra of 7. Who is the Param-Mitra of 7? 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. This is called Param-Mitra. Okay, the Param-Mitra 7, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Put ekadhik dot on next digit. Now this is not 2, this is 3. 3 subtracting from 8, remaining 5. Again, 9 is not subtracting from 2. The Param-Mitra of 9 is 1. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Put a dot here. Now this is not 4, this is 5. 5 is not subtracting from 3. The Param-Mitra of 5 is 5. 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8. Put a dot here. 3 subtracting from 4, remaining 1. This subtraction by ekadhiken पूर्वेण means in addition you put a dot on next digit, it is dot of a 10. In my next column it become 1. Now if you want to subtract by eknyunen पूर्वेण, same digit by eknyunen, subtract by eknyunen means you have to put the dot upper digit, below the upper digit. Suppose that 4, 2, 3, 8, 4. You want to subtract 8, 3, 8, 7, 2 by eknyunen पूर्वेण. You have to say here, if 8 is not subtracting from 4, the Param-Mitra of 8 is 2. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Put dot under next digit. Now this is not 8, this is 7. 3 subtracted from 7, remaining 4. If 8 is again not subtracting from 3, the parameter of 8 is 2. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Put dot under. Now this is not 2, this is 1. 7 is not subtracting from 1. The parameter of 7 is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Put dot here. This is 3 now. 2 subtracting from 3 is 1. This is subtraction by ek Noonan Purvand. This addition by Ekadik and Purvand, and we studied already by Ekadik and Purvand, subtraction by Ekadik and Purvand. Now we will multiply by Ekadik and Purvand and ek Noonan Purvand. All of you, if you understand all the problems of the Vedic mathematics, it is easy in the competitive exams also. See, multiply by Ekadik and Purvand and by ek Noonan Purvand. Ekadik. The condition for Ekadik and Purvand, the unit digit must be a 1, 10 or 100. Which unit digit? Suppose that you want to multiply 42 into 48. These digits are called unit digit. The sum of unit digit must be a 1, 10 or 100. Okay, 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. So you have to apply the formula of Ekadik and Purvand. Whether you will not apply this formula, means 4 into 5 dash 2 into 8. 4 5 ja 20, 2 8 ja 16 is equal to 220 2106. Ek Noonan Purvand, if you want to multiply 42 into 999, you write the same things. Subtract 1. Ek Noonan means minus 1. 42 minus 1, remaining 41. 999 minus 41. 1 subtracted from 42 means 41. 41 subtracted here. Here remaining 41. 999 999 minus 41 is equal to 1 subtracted from 9, 8. 4 subtracted from 9, 5. 9, 1, 4 is answer. So today the addition, subtraction and multiplication has been completed in exercise 1.1. The homework for today, you have to do addition by Ekadik and 6 8 4 3 2 4 5 3 2 6 4 8 5 2 1. Subtraction 2 8 3 4 1 3 8 7 2 1 by Ekadik and multiply by Ekadik and method. Question 1, 105 into 104 into 106. 53 into 57 by ek Noonan. Question 1, 3 4 5 into 9 9 and question 2 4 5 6 into 9 9 9 9. This is homework for today, so you have to do it.